Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your AWS domains or Route 53 domains to one account to different AWS account. So basically, what is AWS Route 53? So Amazon Route 53 is a highly available and scalable domain naming system. It's a web service, and Route 53 connects user requests to internet applications running on AWS or on-premises. So in this video, I'll show you how to export your DNS domains or Route 53 domains to one account to different AWS account. So let's get back to the console and achieve this. So go to Route 53 in your AWS account. So here in the dashboard, you can see here DNS management, traffic management, availability monitoring, domain registration. So in this Route 53, you can buy domains, or you can, if you have any domains in the from third party or outside of the Route 53, you can transfer to the domains into Route 53 also. So let's get into create a one hosted zone here. So I'll create some random hosted zone as so I'll go with Microsoft.com. Microsoft.com. So this is the domain name for my hosted zone. So it will be as a testing purpose. So I'll go for public hosted zone. So I don't want to create a private hosted zone. So my hosted zone is created. So whenever you create a hosted zone, you will be having NS records and SOA record. NS records is a naming service and SOA is a security of authority. So let's create one record in my hosted zone. So www dot. So let's give the some IP 72.752.67. So 1 minute TTL. So record A type and create record. So if you see here, one record has been created with the A record type A and simple loading policy, and hitting to the 172. This is IP address. So whenever you hit enter www.microsoft.com, it will redirect to this IP. So let me show you how to export these domains. Suppose if you have number of records in one hosted zone like 250 or 450 or 600, so you want to export those records in from one hosted zone to different hosted zone. So it will be taking a lot of efficiency and you need to create manually. So with the hosted zone details, you can easily migrate your hosted zone from one account to different account. So you don't want to create manually. So in this case, I am using a EC2 instance. So let's launch one EC2 instance. So if you see here in EC2 console, I don't have any machines. Let me launch a EC2 machine. 53 machine. So I'll go for Amazon Linux 2, t2.micro is enough, test keeper. So edit your settings, subnet is for public subnet, enable public IP, existing security group. I'll go for my own security group, GP3 is for custom optimization. Launch EC2 instance. So this is my EC2 machine. Let me connect to the EC2 instance. So it is in running state. Copy my public IP. Let me change the settings so that you can see clearly. So switch to root. So here you need to download your exported hosted zones, so that you need AWS configure credentials. So I will create one IAM user. Let me create one IAM user. So create an add user, add or create a user. So I'll go with Route 53 user. So access keys and programmatic access is enough for me. So attach existing policies directly. So you need Route 53 read only access for this. So no need to worry about the full access. So you need only Route 53 read-only access. Next tags, next review, create a user. So you'll get a CSV file. So you need to copy the AWS access keys and secret keys. So let me configure those AWS access keys and secret keys. So this is my access key, AWS configure. So let me copy my secret key also. So here I'm pasting as for safer side. I'm giving. So default region is AP South -1. Sorry, I'll go for JSON format. Oh, typing mistake. So that's it. So you want to export your domains into one file. So you need these commands to download the Route53 CLI. So you need to copy paste this command and hit enter. So it will install Route53 CLI into your current system. So it has been done. So you need to move some files into the local bin CLI 53. So AMD Linux. So if you see here ls, so you will find the CLI 53 file. So you need to copy this file into USL local bin. So let me copy that, rename the file, move the file to USL local bin CLI 53. So if you check the file, cd USL local bin ls. So if you see here, the file has having no permissions like execute permission. So I need to give execute permissions for the CLI 53 application. So it has been done. So if you see here, CLI 53 has executable permission. So go back to cd, change the directory. So I have given access keys and secret keys. So you need to hit the command CLI53 export your domain name and domain.com.txt, whatever you want to download the file to this file name. So let me check my DNS. So if I have how many domains or not. So I have only one domain, sorry. So I have only one record, a record. Let me create two more records also. So 192.27.6, some random values. So this is my a record. So Route 53 simple routing policy, and it has been creating. So if you see here in my hosted zone, I have two records. One is a record and starting with 172 and it's starting with 192. So let me drag to these hosted zone records into one file. So let me go back to my machine. So CLI53 export domain.com and domain.com txt. So you need to write here the domain name Microsoft.com. So if you hit enter, this will be copied into file some export.com. So if you see here, there is no files here. So let me enter this. So it will export your domains into this file ls. So if you cat this file, so if you see here, some domains are being listed. So let me copy this into one notepad. So if you see here, these are the records where you have created in your hosted zone. So SOA record and NS records are defaultly it will be created when you create a hosted zone. So consider this is an destination account. So let me delete these records. So consider this as a destination account and this is a different domain. So you want to import these records into this hosted zone. So you just want to create or import zone file here. So you need to paste this all records which you have got in the file, that export file. So you need to remove this SOA. Why? Because it is a default record. So you already have the Route 53 hosted zone, so don't need to create SOA and NS records. So if you see here, A records and to A records has been created, and I have given. So it is origin.microsoft.com, it is redirecting to. So if you see here preview also, it is saying that record a type, value, route or traffic to the IP addresses, and TTLs I can say 60. So when you click import, it will import your hosted zones into your in your records into your hosted zone. So you see here my A record, and this is a second A record which I have been created. So it is added. So this is where we can export or import your hosted zone records to one domain to different domains. So this is the way we can transfer your domains from AWS CLI. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let me know if you have any queries. Please post in the comment box. Thank you.